6th floor, Avida Towers Prime Top, Tower 2. Corner unit to 2 bedrooms. Check natin. And with parking, around 12.3 million. So this is the unit, around 57 square meters. And with parking po siya. 2 bedrooms. And then ito yung bedroom 1, or parang storage siya. Bedroom 2, or ito yung pinaka bedroom 1 niya. Facing Makati. And then we have common bathroom here. And this is the primary, or the masters, with own bathroom. And facing city view, Manila and Makati skyline. This is available in cash, or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance. Bank financing plus taxes and fees. So if you're interested to make an offer and schedule property showing, messages directly. Yan, along Taft Avenue. And yan ang view niya from your living and dining area. Okay, so again, if you are interested, message us directly.
Itong facing ko yung 1 bedroom, ayan o.
Gym nila, ano lang, treadmill lang.
98 pesos per square meter. Kung yung 22 mo, 2,200 per month.
Oo. So yun lang ang gym mo, walang weights.
Sa Verti ko yung DMC, maganda. Di pa ba nabibenta yun sa video?
Wala nagba-ads eh. Ikaw na lang inaantay nun.
Oo nga. Okay. Di tower 2 po. Kawan yan eh.
Dito parang hindi mainit kahit tanghali, no? Kasi natatakpan ka ng mga ano, building. Unless tanghaling tapat talaga.